Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Vantage to bank account. For this you just need to log into your account, and then from here you will find withdrawal option. But first you make sure that your ID is verified, your account is verified through a ID verification process. Otherwise you can't complete the withdrawal request. So click on withdraw, and here you will find a page where you can select the ID type and select the amount that you want to withdraw. But in this account, in my account, there are no money available in my account, so my amount is 0, but the 0 is not acceptable right here. So I'm going to explain the next process. After you enter the amount, simply click on continue button, and then the second process is select withdrawal method. In this section, in this step, you will get some payment methods that you can use for withdrawal. You will find credit card, some bitcoins, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and at the bottom, at the last, you will find international bank transfer. You just need to simply click on it. If you completed the KYC, you will get through some process. You just need to enter the details, the bank details that prompted on your screen, and your account details like your account number and account holder name. But make sure that you have completed the KYC successfully in your account, otherwise you can't transfer money to your bank account. After completing the process, you can transfer your fund to your bank account. It's pretty simple. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.